Mathematics can be challenging for many, and yet some see a beauty in being able to compute and solve difficult math problems. Students at the CSEC level, officials say, are continuing to underachieve, worrying local education administrators as to the right approach to deal with this malady once and for all. St. Lucian mathematics professor based in the United States, Dr. Delia Samuel, has come up with the concept of a mathematics camp which will focus on students who need remedial instruction in the subject and teachers who need modern methods of teaching math topics that students find challenging to learn. Dr. Samuel, with some 40 years of mathematics instruction, says mathematics gives us hope that every problem has a solution.
It is time to unlearn practices which have not been beneficial to mathematical learning and teaching. It is time to address the lack of motivation students experience. Time to unlearn the negative attitudes, the fear of mathematics, the notion that mathematics is so difficult. It is time to disrupt the cycle of failure.
Several partners have collaborated with Dr. Samuel to make the initiative a reality, including the A-Team, the Department of Education, Innovation and Vocational Training, the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College, and the Good News Project. The Good News Project in particular has been instrumental over the years in assisting St. Lucia in several areas, including housing, healthcare, skills training, and education.
Timing must have been perfect because Dr. Samuel joined our board right about then, and she encouraged us to support and be a sponsor to this math camp idea. And we are thrilled to be behind a project that is St. Lucia led and one that we see as could be sustainable over time and focused on education.
When we have someone like Dr. Samuel guiding our well-intended efforts as the Good News organization, it helps ensure that the efforts that we can bring and the resources that we can bring to this project will be used in the most effective way.
Mathematics is one of the main subjects required by secondary school students to gain entry into the many programs of the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College. Member of the Board of Directors of the Sir Arthur Lewis Community College, Dr. Anthony Felician, says the low pass rates at CSEC continue to be a worrying issue which he hopes the camp can help address.
So that is a good target, secondary schools, because many people enjoy maths at the primary level. The secondary schools, this is where our nightmare exists and we have to address it.
Parliamentary Secretary Dr. Pauline Antoine Prosper expressed the gratitude of the Ministry of Education for the collaboration of sponsors and partners and says the ministry is even more heartened that the initiative empowers students as well as teachers from all parts of the island in solving the issues with maths.
The reality is, at all levels of the education system, we indeed face the perennial problem of poor performance in mathematics in comparison to the other subjects. It shows its ugly head when we receive the CSEC results year after year.
100 teachers as well as 200 Form 4 students from across the island are expected to benefit from the summer camp to run from July 24th to August 4th, 2023, free of charge to the participants. Parents and caregivers will also benefit from Maths Camp St. Lucia 2023 being held under the theme, Together We Even the Odds. From the Communications Unit of the Department of Education, Innovation and Vocational Training, I am Satney reporting.